Guys, behind me right there is Lenana Boys. I just didn't want to take my camera close because it's a school property, and it will be wrong of me to do maybe what's against school policies. Maybe.
Yeah, and of course because
and
of
then there are
the
also kids who are playing over there, so I don't know if they are school students or public people, because it's a weekend today, so I'm not sure if they are public kids or high school students. Anyway, welcome back to another video. We're starting right off across near Lenana. If you haven't watched my previous video, it's like a continuation of it. We're just going we're just going behind the same place. We just came from the other side and now we are heading right back through this. So subscribe and make sure you watch to the end. Here is my sister. Do you want to say something? Yeah.
Hey, hello beautiful people. This is Chamu Arwa on YouTube. I'm also a new beginner there, so kindly consider checking me out. I'm with Miss Lako, and kindly consider watching our videos to the end. Subscribe to our channel and also comment and share.
Thank
you guys.
I see those
Beehives.
Yeah, there was a post in their ministry. I think they have a ministry of beekeeping somewhere there, and here they make beehives on sale.
That you can see from the signboard ahead. ABC Global Honey.
Yeah, there's some beautiful beehives. Anyway, Jemu was introducing herself. Please go check our channel and then make sure you watch our videos, subscribe, like them, and well, support her.
Yeah,
by all means.
of course.
Yeah, here is where they like an advert for honey, where they sell honey, pure honey, propolis, dawa, body cream, bee wax,
Yeah.
bee wax. How do you say wax? Wax, yeah, bee wax.
Even the smokers help tools.
Yeah.
I think it's an advert for someone who is selling those things.
Anyways, we look at the serenity of Lenana. It's close to Lenana High School. They have a nice forest full of life, and then they have a nice road. Houses,
rentals.
oh yeah.
Alafu, there's a time when I was a newcomer. You see that building there? The
Which
brown one.
Which
This ones.
apartments?
Yeah, these apartments.
Yeah.
They are very expensive. 35k, one bedroom.
Can you take the shortcut and then you go this way, or you just go this way? I'm also learning. I've never been to this place, but my sister is saying she's been here. Maybe she was trying to look for a house.
Yeah.
Is it?
I don't know.
So I was saying Lenana heading to the road, heading to the school. It's tarmacked, so it's nice to study at Lenana Boys, because it's just off the main highway, Ngong Road. You just branch in and go through this serenity. Very calm, and not many people live here, or maybe if they live in these apartments, there are routes on the other side for you to access Ngong Road. I think their passages are not along this place. It's on the other side. I believe I'm shaking. I feel like so. Yeah. My video. I'm twisting my hand so much. Here is where they buy water, I think, because there are many water boosters. Do you call them boosters?
In fact, that building there, the one with
Ah, yeah, they are fetching water from that point. Oh, that's the pour water, you remember? Now, so all the boosters are bore waters. Look, bore water. Maybe they buy water from here and then they distribute or something.
So the building that I was telling you is that one, and they have a very big borehole. In fact, the water there, when they are filling those machines, it comes like poof.
With pressure?
Yeah, in less than like 10 minutes, one machine is full. That's what I witnessed. But then, the houses there were not favorable to me.
In terms of prices?
Yeah. In fact,
rent
rent there was 18,000 Kenyan shillings.
So they are doing studios, not
No, there are 2 bedrooms there, 1 bedroom, and then there's the next building. I don't know, along this road. The studio alone was 18,000, and they have lifts. So no, that was not my level by then. So, but anyway, if you support us, guys, I think we will never.
We will afford in future, maybe. We hope so. Life has surprises. You don't know what may come tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow you'll be living in a 2 bedroom. Would you like to have a 2 bedroom or 1 for now?
I would like, okay, for now, maybe because now I live in a bed sitter, I'll consider moving first to the first
one bedroom.
You know, you have to move step by step.
Yeah.
I can't just now rise from a bed sitter. You know, I'm still paying the school fees. You know, there is food here and there. Basic needs, basically. So you have to consider such things.
Yeah.
But again, maybe if I'll be lucky, maybe to get a better job, or if my YouTube channel grows well, then even my own apartment now will not be an issue.
I wonder where this route leads to. Maybe those apartments, right?
Yeah, those apartments. In fact, even the other one, the brown one, this one.
That's their route.
Alafu Mungu
anatoka na huko.
Ukienda hivi utatoka hivi.
Finally, we are back to the main highway. We just brought you from the back route to the main highway of Ngong Road. There's a lot of businesses going on here. Even our place, have you seen these pipes? They have very large pipes. I think they are trying to make drainages to make this place conducive.
Can you pay me?
Do you feel like?
Yeah. You can promote.
Let's ask for Mahindi Choma. We see some here.
Sasa? Mahindi unataka? Chupate. Nakula pilipili?
No?
Naweza tuma kwa simu.
It's for. I hope it's not so hard. I see someone crawling down there. I see his gumboots. Here we pay via M-Pesa. We do not have cash at hand. Oh, there are already pipes there. Let me go and see. I think those guys are trying to make a pipe that goes like this. It's popping out from this point. It's popping out from me, and they were using a very large rope to pull it and it has to go all the way through this tunnel. Quite some work to do. Oh. How's the taste of pilipili? Is it pure pilipili?
No.
Ama salt? Uko na chumvi? Ah.
That we are making more tastier. That's why. So, thank you.
Asante. Usisahau tembea urudi baadaye. This Kenyan maize, very fresh and what do you call langar?
It's soft.
There's more piping going around.
Developments.
Yeah, development. Soon we're gonna have a very nice Nairobi city. This place will be like city as well. And what is it? Soft corn. It's a soft corn.
It's not a hard one.
This place is where we came another time. We were passing here. Please go watch that video as well. Anyway, we're just strolling around, trying to see what's up around this place after a long time that we've been here. Hapa haikuiva, hakuchoma hapa.
Changanya na nimechoma. You balance it.
I have to eat the rice and then this one together and you mix. Maybe when I will not finish this corn, it's so big.
Yeah, I can take a full one.
That's you.
It has been a long time. And now making me feel like traveling to the village.
Because these are free in the village. Maize is common in the village, not like town. That's why they are selling these at 40 bob. That one corn which is free from in our farms. We always find them free. Just take one, come and roast it. Should we go this way?
Mama, I got new with them.
Hey. Hey, you have to move because of these things. So. There's something in my eye.
Kan itu mana orang? Kan ambil duit.
Chico.
Inside, ama?
Look. Also, guys, in my previous video, there was a silent video that I walk around these places where they make this fancy stuff. If you want them, you can find them along Gong Road, and they are very quality. They don't just do quantity, they do quality as well. Now look at this one, like mother, father, mother, children. Very nice. And they do everything. They have chairs made of oh, this one. They have cupboards. And they also do metallic beds. I wonder what are these for? Something like this. What is it for? They make beds, metallic beds. What do you call this? Steel beds. Huh? These people are not jokers. Look at this one. 2 in 1, a table at the same time. They has combined with chairs. And then grills, or what do you call barbecue stuff. Grills. And what do you think of this one? What is it for?
Me, I don't know these things.
And then they have these balcony chairs as well. Yeah, you just sometimes we look at them and you're just wondering what are they used for, with all the signs. Look at this one with eyes, frog design. Also this one, what do you call swimming, for swimming pools. The lagoon, these ones are lagoon baskets, but then they are plastic made.
So maybe you can ask these two right
Now really ask.
Mama, hii ni nini kitu imenifurahisha sana. Hii peke yake ndio imenifurahisha. So unaweka makaa hapa.
Nini unaweka hapa?
Jibu na mwagikia.
Unique one. Sasa ni kama jiko ama tu ya kuota moto?
Kaka jambo ukitaka unawekewa kazi hivi hapa hivi.
Okay.
Tumia mahindi.
Very unique one.
Na kama hii
Inapima temperature.
Inapima temperature. Kama ikiwa inapiga alarm kuja kule.
this one has an alarm.
Automated one.
They say it has an alarm, which is sensitive. And then this one.
Hivi bado linanyumba, unapotea ndani ya nyumba.
It's also like a jiko una hang.
Unaweka tu mahali, unaweka kani kwa balcony.
Na kama umewasha?
Unafunua hapa alafu unaweka makaa ndani.
Yeah, that's one nice. Sawa.
Tunaangalianga hivi tu tunasema what are these? Sawa. That's also one like look at this one. A lorry design and what do you call boozer? Water boozer? And then there's a truck. Oh, it's also a grill. And then it looks like a lorry. Design ya lorry. Alafu inakaa pickup. I'm telling you, Ngong Road are very creative people. Ngong Road sellers. You should come and check these things for yourself, guys. Yeah, funny things, and they are very beautiful. Very attractive. Frogs with their hands up. Wow. Now it seems from here down there everything looks the same. So therefore, I think I'm gonna end my video again. It's silent. It's already 19 minutes, and my battery is my memory is running so low. Not my phone, because of talking, my phone is becoming cold. Na ile masaa tungetokeleza hapa, si ndio? If we had come straight from that point, we would have come through this place and then we walk down again. Anyways, that has been a long video, by the way, and a long walk. I don't know about my shirt. I should improve myself, buying more clothes for myself. I know this is common in my videos, but how else would you know it's mine? How else would they know it's mine?
Of course, by wearing it.
Wearing it a couple
it
of
doesn't matter.
times.
If you repeat, as long as it's clean,
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about it.
So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm super grateful for everyone who have subscribed to my channel, and also Chamu here is happy being with me. We're happy that you supported her in every way you have.
Yeah.
So
Actually, I'm upcoming.
So I'm gonna end my video by saying I love you so much and keep supporting guys. What do you say now in another language? Au revoir.
Kwaherini.
Yeah.
Yeah.